In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from mpesa to Binance. First, you open your Binance app. Then you click on P2P trading. Then you buy. You change payment method to mpesa. You look for the merchant who sells, who you can buy. So there is this one that has 196.48 USDT. The limit is 300 shillings to 23,035. You click buy. Then you enter the amount. Let's say you have 3,500. You buy with a zero fee. Now you can see pay the seller within 14 minutes and 56. So when you make payment, it will send the notification that you want to buy the crypto, and once it is verified, you will then be sent a notification that your money has been deposited to your crypto wallet. And then now from there, confirm that I have paid the seller. No. So you will go back, confirm. No. Confirm that I have not paid the seller. Yes. So after your money has been deposited, you will come and find out that you will open your wallet, and your money will be in the spot wallet. So when your money is in the spot wallet, you will then press transfer. Then you select that your money you've changed the BTC to USDT, and you will press your 500. And then confirm. It denies because I don't have money in my wallet. So let's try with 0.00. It will not work. So when your money will be in the funding, you will go back home. You come to P2P. If you want to sell, you will sell to receive the payments in your mpesa. But if you want to deposit to Tesco, you will come and press deposit. Let's see you have USDT. Then you will come and press the Tron TRC20. You will come and copy the wallet address. When you have copied it, you will go back to Tesco. When you have opened your Tesco app, you will place profile. This is the app that I use to train people. When you log in, I've not set my payment method. You will come to profile, personal info. Now you will place my USDT TRC20, full name, that's full name. Then you will paste your Binance wallet address, password, okay. On the password, I will not use it. So once you've pasted your wallet address, password, and email. After you've set all those and the verification and your email, they will send you a verification which you will verify, and then you confirm the setting. Now after completing those, you will go back home. You press my USDT. Let's go back. You will place my personal info. You will then verify everything. On your settings, you will come and set the payments. You will set the payments. You will input your email here and send. You will get the verification code, and now you will verify your safe code. You confirm, and it will look just like this. This is my other account profile. You will notice that my personal info, it will just look like this. Now my USDT, that is your wallet address, TRC20, that is it, that's mine. I've verified it, and this is my email. So when you will be doing a transaction, of withdrawing your money to your mpesa, you will come to withdraw. You can see you can see up there, that's my Binance wallet address, the one that we verified. Now if I want to withdraw the money, I will just press withdraw, and then it will send you a notification that you have initiated a withdrawal. It will be something like this up here. Your application of withdrawal, that one USDT, has been approved and actually received 29.45 USDT. So you will wait for around 5 hours for the systems of Tesco to release the payments to you, and then you will withdraw them to your mpesa. And that's how the whole cycle of depositing and withdrawing money from both